I can't work out because I don't have workout clothes. This is another common one. I also don't have that many workout clothes. When I first started this, Brian got me a gift card to Under Armour for Mother's Day, which got me 2 outfits and 2 sports bras, and that's awesome. But I work out every day, so I don't have enough clothes to work out in every day of the week that are specific workout clothes. But I do have tons of t-shirts. I have lots of old shorts that I like to garden in, from high school when I was in gym, stuff like that. And I'm sure everyone has loose-fitting, comfortable clothes that they can wear to work out. I also don't wear tennis shoes that often when I'm working out because I do it during nap time, and I don't want to wake up my son while he's sleeping. So if you don't have the right kind of shoes and you can't afford to get the right kind of shoes, you can still find a workout that fits what you have. PiYo is one that is great because you don't have to have shoes. In fact, most of them are done without shoes. So don't let what you don't have stop you. Just make do with what you do have till you can get it.